Okay, here we have, here is a wand along with a direct spray attachment on the end and DirectSpray's handle. We'll show you with how the handle goes on. It goes on within seconds. It slides up and down very freely, and you can adjust it as accordingly up and down that wand to make it, very user-friendly and very comfortable to use, and also very allows for greater maneuverability of the wand itself when you're pressure washing. Better handling of it. You then put the handle on, and in seconds you've got your wand attachment back on, screws on, and you will never take it off once it's on. And what the handle does, depending on the size you are, your arm length, what you're trying to get into, you can maneuver within seconds that handle going up and down to be able to maximize the efficiency of the wand and the wand attachment.
And take a picture of that whole thing.
Back here is the picture of the whole thing, the whole unit, with our direct spray attachment and also the direct spray handle.